Welcome to Greater Phoenix, home to some of the most cutting-edge advancements in personalized medicine.
Today, when we talk about personalized medicine, we're often talking about not only medicine that takes you and your individual circumstances, body type, dietary needs into consideration in treatment decisions, but we're also now talking about what is your genetic makeup? What kinds of proteins do you have inside your cells, and how might the proteins that are inside your cells be different from the proteins that are inside my cells?
We are able to use an individual's genetic makeup and help predict their disease occurrence, the best treatment for their particular genetic makeup, and to better understand how disease progresses.
For example, ASU Biodesign Institute has found that by monitoring a person's health through biosignatures, we can gauge the disease risks he or she might be facing. The Core Institute is developing a personal tag the size of a Band-Aid that provides healthcare professionals with patient info such as vital signs and allergies. This tag can be read with a cell phone. Provista has developed a blood test for breast cancer that is significantly more accurate than a mammogram at detecting breast cancer in women under 50. VisionGate can detect lung cancer early on through its revolutionary automated 3D cell imaging platform, which generates high-res 3D biosignatures from intact cells. TGen is studying the relationship between canine cancers and their DNA to better understand rare cancer in humans. International Genomics Consortium provides late-stage cancer patients with a genetic test that helps determine if they'll be susceptible or particularly resistant to cancer drugs. This will help ensure that each patient receives medicine that is more likely to work based on that individual.
We have a unique project where we have been able to discover aberrations in a particular gene known as the LKB1 gene, which is specific to a lot of lung cancers. And this gives us a unique opportunity for treatment of patients that have this aberration.
We've conducted the first so-called genome-wide association study of Alzheimer's disease, where we've looked at more than 1 million letters of the genetic alphabet to help identify new genetic risk factors for Alzheimer's disease.
This is personalized medicine, and it's happening here in Greater Phoenix.
Unlike other regions, Greater Phoenix possesses a unique collaborative gene.
Here in Arizona, we believe that through collaboration, we can move healthcare further, more quickly, and it's one of the things to us that makes the Southwest such an exciting environment.
I'm often asked, how do we get different hospitals and universities to work together? What we have here in Arizona is we have some remarkable strength in a number of different areas. And by bringing people together, we can do some remarkable things.
I believe that the major asset in that attraction is related to the desire to innovate.
From a standpoint of research, we're really uniquely situated, and it's very, very different from the environment that I was used to in Southern California. My competitors across the way at places like Mayo or Scottsdale are very open to collaborate with us in terms of research. So it allows us to bring together a much bigger clinical base that we can study disease processes.
These kinds of partnerships can be seen literally everywhere.
The Arizona Alzheimer's Consortium, for instance, is considered the nation's leading model of statewide collaboration in Alzheimer's disease research, and it's widely considered one of the preeminent Alzheimer's research programs in the entire world. And that was built on collaboration.
Many, many organizations reside and have occupancy on the Phoenix Biomedical Campus. There's the University of Arizona College of Pharmacy, the Translational Genomics Institute, the National Institute for Digestive Disorders, Diabetes, and Kidney Disease, along with St. Joseph's Barrow Neurological Institute, along with the University of Arizona Health Sciences Center.
We have a lot of collaborations on different fronts, and the most recent that we've announced is the collaboration with ASU to establish a new medical school. It will be a branch of the Mayo Medical School. It will be established here in the Greater Phoenix area, and we think that this medical school will set the standard for medical education in the country.
And these are not the only examples. Science Foundation Arizona awarded $2.2 million to the Critical Path Institute to create the Arizona Biosignature Laboratory. The lab will be housed at the Biodesign Institute at Arizona State University, with collaborative support from the International Genomics Consortium and Ventana Medical Systems. ASU Biodesign Institute, TGen, Fred Hutchinson Cancer Center, Flynn Foundation, and the Virginia G. Piper Charitable Trust all formed the Center for Sustainable Health. The University of Arizona and Phoenix Children's Hospital are formal partners for pediatric healthcare, training, and research. Banner Health and MD Anderson have opened the Banner MD Anderson Cancer Center, which offers an array of treatments for all types of cancer, conducts clinical trials, and engages in cancer research.
I think there's truly a pioneering spirit in Arizona you don't find in many other places.
What makes this region unique is the can-do spirit of Arizona combined with the willingness to collaborate and work together to achieve results.
Jobs in this sector are growing 3 times faster in Arizona than the national average. Here, we are collaborating for customized care.